Welcome to DBK Newsroom. This is Vijayshri from grade 11 with my co-news reader Viraj from the same grade is here with news and updates of September and October 2025.
Hello everyone, this is Viraj. Let's start news of September and October 2025 with headlines. Nutrition Week celebrated from 1st of September to 7th of September. On 5th of September, Teachers' Day has been celebrated with great enthusiasm. Hindi Saptah and Hindi Divas celebration 14th September. One day excursion of nursery to 5th class to MG Resort, Hisar. Exciting educational tour to Udaipur, Haldighati and Chittorgarh organized successfully. The symbol of victory, our evil Vijayadashmi, is celebrated with great excitement. Gandhi's principle of truth, non-violence, peace and simplicity are remembered on the occasion of Gandhi's Jayanti. AdMed Show is organized to highlight students' creativity and imagination under CCA activity. On 11th of October, PTM has organized to discuss Term 1 result. DBK Public School proudly hosted Mathematics Olympiad on 14th October. To keep the series of Olympiad continue, Science and English Olympiad has been conducted on 16th October. Proud achievement by DBKNs is district level game held at Jeans. DBKN again proved their talent and learning by securing first position in group song competition organized by Bharat Vikas Rishad. An enthusiastic and exciting rehearsal and practice for annual function is on full swing.
Welcome again everyone. Now news in detail. DBK Public School observed Nutrition Week from 1st to 7th September with the objective of spreading awareness about healthy eating habits in nutritious food. The celebration began with a special assembly highlighting the importance of a balanced diet and leading a healthy life. Throughout the week, students enthusiastically participated in a series of activities such as poster making, slogan writing, quiz competition, and healthy tiffin campaigns. DBK School Management organized a grand Teachers' Day celebration at White Rose Resort to honor the hard work and dedication of its teaching staff. A delightful feast and a variety of fun-filled activities that created an atmosphere of joy, relaxation, and togetherness marked the event. Director Mr. Rajesh Sharma, Director of Edu Expert Consultancy, Chandigarh, Mr. Rajesh Kundu and Principal Ms. Rita Walia, who shared their motivational experience and heartfelt appreciation for the teachers, graced the program. During the event, teachers were honored with tokens of appreciation and several engaging games, cultural programs, and interactive sessions added charm to the celebration. DBK Public School enthusiastically celebrated Hindi Saptah and Hindi Divas to promote the significance of Rajya Bhasha Hindi among students. The week-long celebration aimed at developing love and respect for the Hindi language, which holds a special place in India's culture and literacy heritage. Students participated with great zeal, presenting beautiful Hindi poems, dohas, and self-conscious activities and special assemblies. Teachers also highlighted the importance of Hindi as a unifying language, encouraging students to speak it with correctness and confidence. DBK Public School organized a joyful one-day execution to MG Resort Hisar for students of nursery to class 5th. The trip was fulfilled with excitement as students enjoyed fun activities, outdoor games, swings, and a delicious lunch. Teachers guided and motivated the children throughout the day, encouraging a safe and enjoyable experience. The refreshing environment of the resort offered the students a perfect blend of learning and recreation. The trip ended on a happy note, creating wonderful memories of the young learners. Educational tours were organized by the students of class 6 to 12 to Udaipur, Haldighati and Chittorgarh, offering them a memorable blend to history, culture and learning. The tour commenced with the students visiting the city palace, Lake Pichola, Saheliyon ki Bari and Fateh Sagar Lake in Udaipur, where they learned about the rich heritage and royal lifestyle of Mewar. In the evening, students enjoyed a lively cultural show showing their traditional Rajasthan art and folk music. The group traveled to Haldighati, the historic battle of Maharana Pratap and the battle of 1576. The students were deeply inspired after watching an informative light and sound show, and they also visited the Chetak Samarak, gaining insights into Rajput valor and sacrifice. The final day was dedicated to exploring the majestic Chittorgarh Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage. Students observed the Vijay Stambh, Kriti Stambh, Meera Temple, and Padmini Palace, learning about legendary tales of bravery and honor associated with the fort. The tour proved to be educational, enriching, and enjoyable, helping students connecting classroom learning with real historical experience. The students returned with a great enthusiasm, unforgettable memories, and a deeper understanding of India's glorious past. Vijayadashmi was celebrated with great pomp and show at DBK Public School on 2 October, making the victory of good over evil. The program began with a special assembly followed by Ramayana presenting devotional songs and speeches highlighting the significance of the festival. Students also enacted the Ravan Dahan scene symbolizing the triumph of truth and rightness. Colorful decoration, traditional attire, and joyful participation added a charm to the event. The principal addressed the gathering and encouraged students to follow the path of truth and virtue. The celebration concluded the cheers and cultural performances, leaving everyone inspired and festive. Gandhi Jayanti was celebrated with great devotion of honor to Mahatma Gandhi's principle of truth, non-violence, and cleanliness. The program began with a special assembly featuring speeches, bhajans, and a short skit on Gandhiji's life. Students participated in poster making, slogan writing, and a cleanliness drive, spreading the message of peace and Swachh Bharat. The principal encourages students to follow Gandhiji's ideal of simplicity, honesty, and harmony. The celebration conducted with a pledge to adopt his values in daily life. DBK Public School paid a heartfelt tribute to former Prime Minister Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri on his birth anniversary. A special assembly was organized where students remembered his ideals of simplicity, honesty, and patriotism. Speeches, poems, and a documentary on his life highlighted his inspiring slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Students also participated in a poster and slogan activity to honor his dedication to the nation. The program concluded with a respectful tribute, reminding everyone of Shastriji's noble contribution to India. Now, over to Viraj for further news.
An exciting AdMed show was organized under the CC activity at DBK Public School where students display their creativity, confidence, and marketing skills. Participants in group designed catchy advertisements on various products and presented them with humorous slogans and jingles. The event filled the hall with energy and laughter as students used innovative props and ideas to impress the audience. Judge appreciated the participants for their originality and teamwork. The principal encouraged students to keep exploring their talent and bring creativity. The activity concluding with applause and enthusiasm, making the AdMed show a memorable and fun learning experience for all. A parent-teacher meeting was held on 11 October following the declaration of Term 1 result. The meeting aimed to strengthen the bond between parents and teachers for the overall growth of students. Parents interacted with class and subject teachers to discuss their works, performance, progress, and area of improvement. Principal appreciate the active participation of parents and encourage them to continue supporting their children at home. Parents expressed their satisfaction and gratitude toward the school's sincere effort and transport evaluation process. The PTM concluded on a positive note, fostering a spirit of cooperation and commitment to ensure continuous progress of every student. The school organized a mathematics Olympiad on 11th October with witness enthusiastic participation of more than 150 students from various classes. The competition aimed to enhance logical reasoning, analytical thinking, and problem solving among students. Teacher appreciated the students for their dedication and preparation, while the principal congratulated all participants for their keen interest in mathematics. The event not only encouraged healthy competition but also helped identify building mathematics. Parents expressed positive feedback, appreciating the school initiative to promote academic excellence through such intellectually stimulating activities. The Olympiad concluding successfully, leaving students inspired and eager to explore more in the world of numbers. The school organized Science and English Olympiad on 16 October with the enthusiastically participation of more than 115 students from the various classes. The competition aimed to nurture curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking among the students while strengthening their conceptual understanding and language proficiency. Students highlighted their knowledge and skills through a series of challenging and thought-provoking questions. Teachers encouraged participation to view such Olympiad as the opportunity to explore learning beyond textbook. The principal appreciated the students' zeal and emphasized the importance of these exams of building confidence, analytical ability, and competitive spirit. Students of DBK school brought laurels to the institution by securing remarkable position in the district level game held at Jin. In yoga, Shaurya achieved first position, Anirudh bagged second, and Sanskar stood third, and Dak secured sixth position. Showcasing their dedication and discipline in wrestling, Himansh performed admirably and achieved fifth position, while athletics Pratik displayed outstanding stamina and determination to secure fourth position. The principal and teacher congratulated the winners from their hard work and sportsmanship, appreciating their commitment balancing academics and sports. DBK student brought prize to the school by securing first position in group song competition organized by Bharat Vikas Parishad at Adarsh Bal Vikas Senior Secondary School, Narwana. The talented group of young singers captivated the audience with their melodious voice and perfect harmony, earning loud applause and appreciation from everyone present. Their performance reflected excellent teamwork, rhythm, and passion for music. Director Mr. Rajesh Sharma, Principal Ms. Rita Walia, and Headmistress Ms. Rita Sharma congratulated the students on this remarkable achievement. DBK School is abuzz with excitement and energetic participation and rehearsals are in full swing for upcoming annual function scheduled to be held in month of November. Students from all classes are enthusiastically participating in various performances including dance, drama, choir and speeches display their talent and creativity. Director Mr. Rajesh Sharma, Principal Ms. Rita Walia and Headmistress Ms. Rita Sharma appreciated the effort of both students and teachers, encouraging them to give their best performance. This is all for the month of September and October. We will come back very shortly with more exciting news and updates. Till then, be happy and stay healthy. Jai Hind.